Welcome everybody, it is Bobby Two Pots Breaks. Saturday, it is July the 12th. We are breaking Gold Rush autograph mini helmets. Last three in the box that we cased. We started tonight. We did pick a name, get three via random on the left. We've already randomized the extra names. We alphabetized the customer list. Gave everybody a chance to trade. Not seeing anything, no. So here we go. Not sure what to expect here, folks. I'm not sure who that is. Is that Jonathan Taylor? Maybe? I don't know. William Perry, the fridge, folks. Gonna be the fridge there. William Perry. Well, we're going to be a dog hit on that one. Well, got a nice one here for you guys. Gonna be bam! Gonna be Justin Herbert on that one, folks. Justin Herbert, folks. If my damn camera would focus for you there. Going to be a very nice Justin Herbert Fanatics hologram on her, guys. Wow, gonna be another Pat hit, man. Pat having a little bit of luck tonight here. Buying a bunch of spots, but still having some good luck with them. Alright, here comes our last box in the case, guys. We had a rough start, but we're been hitting a little better here. Let's hope we finish with a nice solid hit for you guys. Oh, well, not a bad hit, guys. Oh, well, no, it's going to be a Joe Thiesman. I actually thought that was going to be Palomalu. Going to be a Joe Thiesman on that, guys. Joey Thiesman on that, baby. Well, I don't know if I'll be getting any more of these, guys. That'd be up to you there. I don't know about that. We'll have to see. But who the hell hit Joe? Well, that's going to be a nasty hit on that one. Nasty for you guys. That is going to wrap up that case, guys. Thank you very, very, very much, guys. Y'all have a wonderful night. Stop and join us at Bobby Two Pots Breaks.